Detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, has threatened to pull out of the trial if the operatives of the Department of the State Service, DSS, refuses its unfettered access to Kanu in their custody, following a vote of no confidence on the fair trial of the IPOB leader passed by the lawyers recently. The lawyers made this known while speaking to newsmen in Abuja on Wednesday, noting that the legal team will not participate in any process that would bring injustice to Kanu.
He was with me here last Friday, and following him, if Nnamdi Kanu is not going to get a fair trial, this legal team is not going to be part of murdering justice in a Nigerian court over the head of Nnamdi Kanu. It does not mean we are going to abandon Nnamdi Kanu, but we will, as a